This is the TheLittleMill company and we make real Irish soda bread mix. Irish soda bread is quick and simple to make. It's a fantastic tasting product. It's a baking soda raised, no time dough bread. The key thing to remember when making Irish soda bread is not to overwork the dough. Over the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to make these breads. The recipe is very simple. For 1 kilo of premix you add 750 grams of full fat milk. You can scale the recipe up to suit your mixer or your production requirements. You pour the milk into the mixing bowl and add the premix. If you're using a spiral mixer, you mix for 2 minutes on slow speed and 30 seconds on fast. If you're using a planetary mixer with a beater tool, you mix for 1 minute on first speed and 30 seconds on second speed. Remember to leave the dough rest for about 30 seconds after mixing is finished because it makes it easier for you to handle the dough. Here is the soda bread dough straight from the mixer. It is a sticky, inelastic dough, so you will need dusting flour. So, a bit of flour on the table, a bit on top of the dough. I'm now going to scale the dough into 3 weight sizes. First one is a 1.6 kilo piece, which is for display bread. Second is a kilo, which will be for the normal round soda bread. And the third is a 450 gram weight for a tin. This is the most important part of processing Irish soda bread. Irish soda bread should be gently shaped and not heavily moulded. So using some dusting flour, I'll show you how we mould the bread. Starting with the 1.6 kilo piece. So you gently form a ball using dusting flour as you need it. And that's all you need to do. This is the kilo dough piece. You can see you can use 2 hands, speed up your output. And finally the 2 450 gram pieces. Again, gentle folding action to create that ball. Having moulded the bread, we now put it on the tins. For the 1.6 kilo piece, flatten it to about 4 centimeters, put it on the tray. It's then important that you cut the dough. If you don't do this, it will burst in the oven. Traditionally, you cut a cross shape right through to the base of the dough. You notice I dip the scraper in flour to prevent it sticking. Similarly, for the kilo dough piece, you flatten it slightly. Again, you're about 4 centimeters in depth. And you cut it the same way. Lastly, I'll show you the tin breads. Having moulded the soda bread into a ball, simply roll it to the length of the tin. Place it in the tin, which is lightly greased. And then use the scraper to cut through to the base of the tin. It is traditional to decorate or dress soda bread with flour, white or brown. And I'll do this on the 1 kilo breads. And now they are ready for the oven. Normally they bake at 230 degrees centigrade for about 35 minutes in an electric deck oven. So here we have the soda breads from the oven. This is the 1.6 kilo piece. Can be sold as a whole, can be broken into 4 quarters and sold, but makes an ideal demonstration piece for your display. These are the 2 kilo pieces that we made. These are more commonly sold in the UK. These are the tin breads, which are ideal for slicing. So in less than an hour, you will have exciting, great tasting and authentic soda bread to add to your range.